Hi! Today we have some great news. Our new feature Order Types is live. In the back office, we go to Point of Sale and click on Settings. We scroll down until we see Order Types. We can see that there are already two order types configured: Dine-in and To-Go. Of course, we can also add new order types. When we configured the order types, we go to the point of sale. In the point of sale, we click on a table. We select the products. We are now ready to select the order type. We can choose between Dine-in and To-Go. This order is for To-Go. We click on Send Order and go back to the table plan. We can see order types linked to an order on different places. For example, on the kitchen screens. Here, we see the order with the order type To-Go. Furthermore, we can see the order type on work orders and receipts. We hope you are happy with this new feature. We will be back to you soon with more new features. Have a nice day.